I struggled with scars and blemishes for years, but then I discovered an unexpected solution with potatoes. Many of us deal with skin issues like scars and blemishes, which can leave us feeling self-conscious and frustrated. Whether caused by acne, injuries, or other factors, these imperfections can impact our confidence. In the quest for clear skin, many people turn to various treatments, often expensive or harsh. However, natural remedies can offer gentle and effective solutions. Today, I want to share how I found potatoes to be a surprising ally in reducing my scars and blemishes. My journey with scars began during my teenage years when I struggled with acne. After the breakouts subsided, I was left with dark spots and uneven skin texture that made me feel insecure. I tried countless products, creams, serums, and treatments, only to be disappointed by the results. One day, while researching natural remedies online, I stumbled upon a blog post about using potatoes for skincare. Skeptical but intrigued, I learned that potatoes contain vitamins C and B6, as well as antioxidants that can help lighten scars and improve skin texture. The idea of using something so simple from my kitchen excited me. Determined to give it a try, I bought some organic potatoes and started experimenting. I peeled and grated the potato to extract the juice and applied it directly to my scars using a cotton ball. At first, I wasn't sure if it would work, but I committed to using the treatment daily for a few weeks. After about 2 weeks of consistent use, I began to notice significant improvements in my skin. The dark spots from my acne were fading, and my overall complexion looked brighter and more even. It was a moment of sheer joy when I compared my before and after photos. There was a visible difference. The potato juice had not only lightened my scars, but also improved the texture of my skin. My friends started noticing too. They complimented me on how radiant my skin looked. This transformation was so encouraging that it motivated me to keep up with my new skincare routine. Here are some before and after images that illustrate this incredible change. You can see how much lighter the scars became after just a few weeks of using potato juice regularly. Since incorporating potatoes into my skincare routine, I've experienced ongoing benefits. My confidence has grown tremendously. I no longer feel the need to cover up with heavy makeup. Instead, I've embraced a more natural look. Alongside using potato juice, I've also adopted a few additional tips to enhance my skincare routine. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps keep my skin hydrated from within. Sunscreen. Protecting my skin from UV rays is crucial in preventing further discoloration. Gentle exfoliation. Using a gentle exfoliator once a week helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. These practices have complemented the effects of potato juice and contributed to healthier skin overall. Reflecting on my experience, I can confidently say that using potatoes as a natural remedy has been transformative for my skin. The vitamins and antioxidants found in potatoes can effectively lighten scars and blemishes while promoting overall skin health. If you're struggling with similar issues, consider giving this simple remedy a try. Potatoes are not only affordable, but also easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. By utilizing natural ingredients like potatoes, you can take control of your skincare journey without relying on harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Remember that consistency is key. Results may take time, but are well worth the effort. Have you tried using potatoes or any other natural remedies for your skin? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on natural skincare solutions. Don't forget to check out my other video, where I explore more effective natural remedies for healthy skin.